Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use privacy display in secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now there's lots of things to unpack here. Privacy display is of course the feature that lets you hide the display from others. You can see normally you can see my screen from other sides, but when I enable it, it is invisible from other angles. That is so cool. But your secure folder, if you have it already set up, you can see now I have it disabled, but when I go to my secure, here's my secure folder. When I go into it, it hides everything, and that is because I have it set up, and I'll show you how to do it in just a little moment. But let me first enter the PIN. Now once I enter the PIN, everything is now visible. We'll get to that in a little moment, but first, how to hide the PIN to the secure folder itself, not the whole secure folder. In that case, you would want to simply go to the settings. Now in the settings, go to display, privacy display, conditions for turning on, and make sure that PIN pattern and password are enabled. Now, your PIN to the secure folder will be hidden, as well as your PIN to the phone. So as you can see, now my pattern is being hidden, and now it's not. The phone's not being hidden. That's cool. Now another part is that you can just go into the secure folder whenever you want. Of course, I need to unlock it after locking the phone. And you can simply just enable privacy display, and it will be on. But now what if you want it to be enabled automatically? In that case, I think you can also do it, and I'll try to show you that. Okay, unfortunately I checked this and no other option is available, so you can only either hide the PIN itself, or when you are in the secure folder, enable the privacy display like so. And as you can see, now it is hidden. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.